I am sitting inside my daughter's 2003 Honda Civic, and the other day I was seeing her off for work, and she was in the driver's seat, and so I was just saying goodbye, and I asked her, I said, how come the radio needed the new code? A couple weeks ago, the radio needed the code to be input, and she says, well, Dad, I let the battery run down, and turns out she went to work one day and left the lights on and the battery ran down. So I asked her, I says, well, isn't there some kind of little bell or dinger or something that happens when the lights are on and you open the door? And she said, I didn't hear anything. So, let's test this out. So I turn on the lights now. There we go. Here we go. Let's turn on the lights. All right. Let's open the door. There's no dinger going. Nothing's happening. Okay. So I said, that can't be right. I said, well, let's just see, I'm opening the door, and, oh, hey, there's no light on. What could be the problem? So I said, let's take a look at this switch here, and if I go outside, and I look at the little door switch, okay, here's the door switch, I find out, oh, that plunger is popped all the way in and does not work. So I'm pretty sure that this switch is bad right here. So I went online and I got a new door switch. Came from Andy B at Keenan Honda in Doylestown, PA. So let's open this package up and see what it looks like. All right, well, here's the switch. Let me, oh, I'm pushing the plunger in right here, and it is working really fine. You can tell it's popped out. So let's put this new switch in here. All right, let's see if we can take this off. There's a little rubber grommet here. I'm just gonna pop it out with a screwdriver. There you go. Probably could use my fingers. And looks like 8 millimeters, and it's an 8 millimeter thing. So let's just take it off. Alrighty, so there we go. So that just comes off like so. It's just a cover. And here's the switch. Does it come out? Well, yes it does. Look at this. Let's get this out. Alrighty. There we go. Let me pull off the wires. I don't want to break the wire. There's one green wire there. So how do I get this off? Okay, let's see. This little clip. Let's push the clip down. Oh, that's nice. The whole wire comes out a little bit longer. So we have this little clip. I'm just going to push it down and it should come right off. There we go, just like that. Well, here is the new one, and it came right out of the package. Oh, it's even got, all I need is a screw there. Notice this thing pushes in really nice. The old one is, well, that kind of pushes in nice too. They look the same, so let me give this a try. Alright, so I'm going to push this in here like this. Nice, clips in perfectly. Let's put this back in here, flip it around, and yeah, that's nice and springy. So, let's use that screw again. Let me get that up there. It is. Hey. Okay. Get that started nicely. Start it by hand so I don't strip the threads. Let's tighten it up. There we go, nice and tight. Pop this back on. Yeah, okay. So, this is my daughter getting ready to go to work, and she's going to test out for the first time this new switch that I put in. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at that. The key is in, and it's going beep, 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 beep. Oh, okay, turn on the lights, see what happens. Okay, the lights are on, and the key is in, so it's still going beep, 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 beep. Okay, pull the key out.
With the lights on?
With the lights on. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like this. Try that again. It's a weird beep, isn't it? Alrighty.
It's a constant.
It's a constant. Beep. That's so annoying. Well, what do you think?
Helpful.
Helpful? Are you going to leave the lights on and the battery run down again?
Probably not.
Probably not, yes. Oh, and look what else is happening. The light is lurking now, so you'll have a light in here when the door's open. Okay, well,
Alright.
have a nice time at work.
Thank you.
I love you, sweetie.
I love you.
Okay, bye-bye.